Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that's all too familiar to many of us. When things get hard. Whether it's personal or professional struggles, we all face tough times in our lives. In this video, we're going to explore how to push through those hard times and come out stronger on the other side. Okay, let's dive in. Here are our top tips for dealing with adversity. 1. Acknowledge and accept your situation. The first step to pushing through tough times is to acknowledge and accept your situation. It's easy to get caught up in denial, anger, or sadness, but it's important to recognize and accept what's happening so you can begin to move forward. 2. Focus on what you can control. When things get hard, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and powerless. Instead of dwelling on what you can't control, focus on what you can. Ask yourself, what actions can I take to improve my situation, and start there. 3. Take care of yourself. During tough times, it's crucial to prioritize self-care. Take time to exercise, eat well, get enough sleep, and practice mindfulness. When you take care of yourself, you'll have more energy and resilience to face challenges. 4. Seek support. You don't have to go through tough times alone. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist for support. Sometimes just talking about your situation can help you gain clarity and perspective. 5. Embrace growth and develop a right mindset. While tough times are never easy, they can be an opportunity for growth. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience, and focus on the lessons you can take away. Use your experience to become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. So, as you can see, it's never too late to cope and overcome any situation that may come your way. In fact, when things get hard, remember that it's okay to feel overwhelmed and that you're not alone. Acknowledge your situation, focus on what you can control, take care of yourself, seek support, and embrace growth. By doing so, you can push through tough times and come out stronger on the other side. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.